Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a topic that sounds like it's straight out of a science fiction movie, but I promise you it's happening right now and it's set to completely revolutionize medicine as we know it. We'll be talking about how artificial intelligence is being used to discover new drugs at a speed that was once unimaginable. For decades, the process of bringing a new drug to market has been incredibly slow and expensive. Think about it. Scientists had to identify a disease target, then manually screen thousands, sometimes millions, of chemical compounds to find one that might work. It was like searching for a single specific grain of sand on an entire beach. This process could take years, even a decade, and cost billions of dollars, with a high chance of failure at every single stage. It's a painstaking, high-risk game. But what if we could change the rules of that game entirely? Enter artificial intelligence. AI is acting like a superpowered research assistant, one that can process and analyze data on a scale that no human team ever could. Imagine an AI model being fed vast libraries of information. Everything we know about human biology, genetics, chemical structures, and how different diseases work at a molecular level. It can learn the complex rules of biochemistry and then do something amazing. Predict which molecules are most likely to be effective against a specific disease. Instead of testing millions of compounds randomly, I can pinpoint a few dozen highly promising candidates. It essentially narrows down that massive beach to just a handful of sand grains for scientists to examine. This doesn't just save time. It saves an incredible amount of money and resources. It allows researchers to focus their efforts where they're most likely to succeed. Let's look at a real-world example that blew my mind. Recently, researchers used an AI platform to discover a powerful new antibiotic. The growing threat of antibiotic-resistant superbugs is one of the biggest challenges in modern medicine. Our existing drugs are becoming less effective, and we desperately need new ones. So, the researchers trained an AI model to recognize the key features of molecules that can kill bacteria. They then unleashed this AI on a digital library of over 100 million chemical compounds. In a matter of days, not years, but days, the AI identified a completely new compound that showed incredible potency against some of the most dangerous drug-resistant bacteria out there, including the notorious MRSA. They named this molecule halicin. What's truly revolutionary is that halicin has a chemical structure unlike any existing antibiotic. It's a weapon that these superbugs have never seen before, making it much harder for them to develop resistance. Without AI, finding a molecule like halicin might have taken another decade, or it might never have been found at all. This isn't just about antibiotics. The same principle is being applied across the board. Take neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's or Parkinson's. These are incredibly complex conditions, and progress in finding effective treatments has been agonizingly slow. AI is helping scientists understand the underlying mechanisms of these diseases in a new light. By analyzing genetic data from thousands of patients, AI can identify new potential targets within our brain cells for drugs to act upon. From there, another AI can get to work designing brand new molecules from scratch, custom built to hit those specific targets. This is called generative chemistry. The AI isn't just finding existing molecules. It's inventing entirely new ones, optimized for effectiveness and safety. It's like having a master chemist who can dream up millions of perfect drug candidates in a split second. The implications are staggering. We're talking about the potential for personalized medicine on a whole new level. Imagine a future where a drug could be designed specifically for your unique genetic makeup to treat your specific illness. I could analyze your personal health data and simulate how different drug compounds would react in your body before you ever take a single pill. This would lead to treatments that are not only more effective, but also have far fewer side effects. And it's not just about discovering drugs, but also about repurposing them. There are thousands of drugs already approved for certain conditions that might be effective against others. The problem is, it's impossible to test every drug for every disease, but an AI can. It can scan all the data we have on existing drugs and biological pathways and make surprising connections. It might find that a drug developed for blood pressure could actually be effective in treating a certain type of cancer, or that an old anti-inflammatory drug could slow the progression of a rare genetic disorder. This drug repurposing is a massive shortcut, because these drugs have already been proven safe for human use, cutting years off the development timeline. Now, of course, it's important to remember that AI is a tool, not a magic wand. Every drug candidate identified by an AI still needs to go through rigorous testing in the lab and in clinical trials with real people to ensure it is safe and effective. The human element, the expertise of doctors, chemists, and biologists is more important than ever. The AI is there to augment their intelligence, to clear the path and point them in the right direction, allowing these brilliant human minds to do what they do best. But the acceleration is undeniable. We are standing at the dawn of a new era in medicine. The fusion of artificial intelligence and human ingenuity is creating a powerful synergy that will lead to breakthroughs we can barely even imagine today. We're talking about faster cures for diseases, personalized treatments, and a proactive approach to healthcare that could extend and improve the lives of millions, even billions, of people around the world. The future of medicine isn't just coming. It's being designed, one molecule at a time, by the most powerful intelligence we've ever created. What are your thoughts on this? Does the idea of AI-designed drugs excite you, or does it make you a little nervous? Let me know down in the comments below. I'd love to hear what you think. And if you enjoyed this look into the future of medicine, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the science that is shaping our world. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.